In today's session, we're diving into a major change affecting every commuter in Glasgow. Yes, you heard it right. Bus fares are about to rise, and we've got the full story. Starting March 30th, First Bus, the largest bus operator in Glasgow, is set to increase the cost of several ticket types. This isn't just a small tweak, it's a full-on price surge affecting daily travel. For instance, the adult day city local ticket jumps from £5.60 to £5.90, while the two-trip fare increases from £5.20 to £5.60. Even weekly passes aren't spared, rising from £22.50 to £24.50. So, why now? First Bus explains that the fare hike is driven by inflation and the soaring costs of fuel and maintenance. In an era where every penny counts, these rising expenses mean that keeping the bus running smoothly requires tough choices. The company is clear: while no one welcomes a fare increase, it's a necessary step to ensure that Glasgow's buses keep on rolling efficiently. But it's not all bad news. First Bus isn't just raising prices, they're investing heavily in a greener, more sustainable future. With plans to electrify the Glasgow fleet and introduce new electric buses, these changes are paving the way for a more eco-friendly public transport system. Imagine a bus network that not only serves you better but also helps reduce the city's carbon footprint. That's the future First Bus is working towards. Of course, any increase in public transport fares hits the wallet. Whether you're grabbing a single ticket, which sees a small bump from £2 to £2.10 or £2.95 to £3.10, or opting for the convenience of a monthly pass, these changes are bound to spark a few conversations among commuters. It's a balancing act between keeping travel affordable and ensuring that the service remains top-notch and forward-thinking. This fare increase isn't just about numbers. It's about investing in a better, more reliable public transport system for Glasgow. As the city evolves, these changes are part of a broader effort to tackle congestion, reduce environmental impact, and ultimately, improve the commuting experience for everyone. What do you think? Is this a necessary step towards a sustainable future, or is it a burden on daily commuters? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on all things Glasgow and beyond. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.